In this episode, we will be discussing Alaska tenant obligations. In the state of Alaska, tenants have the following responsibilities under the Alaska Uniform Residential Landlord and Tenant Act. Condition of premises. The tenant shall keep that part of the premises occupied and used by the tenant as clean and safe as the condition of the premises permit. When terminating the tenancy, the tenant shall leave the premises in substantially the same condition, except for normal wear and tear, as the condition of the premises at the beginning of the tenancy, including, in the landlord's discretion, professionally cleaning the carpets if the carpets were professionally cleaned immediately before the tenancy began. Waste management. The tenant shall dispose all ashes, rubbish, garbage, and other waste from the dwelling unit in a clean and safe manner. Plumbing fixtures. The tenant shall keep all plumbing fixtures in the dwelling unit or used by the tenant as clean as their condition permits. Facilities and appliances. The tenant shall use in a reasonable manner all electrical, plumbing, sanitary, heating, ventilating, air conditioning, kitchen, and other facilities and appliances, including elevators, in the premises. Destruction of premises. The tenant may not deliberately or negligently destroy, deface, damage, impair, or remove a part of the premises or knowingly permit any person to do so. Nuisance. The tenant may not unreasonably disturb or permit others on the premises with the tenant's consent to unreasonably disturb a neighbor's peaceful enjoyment of the premises. Detection devices. The tenant shall maintain smoke detection devices and carbon monoxide detection devices. Changing locks. The tenant may not, except in an emergency when the landlord cannot be contacted after reasonable effort to do so, change the locks on doors of the premises without first securing the written agreement of the landlord, and immediately after changing the locks, providing the landlord a set of keys to all doors for which locks have been changed. In an emergency, the tenant may change the locks and shall, within 5 days, provide the landlord a set of keys to all doors for which locks have been changed and written notice of the change. Number of occupants. The tenant may not allow the number of individuals occupying the premises to exceed the number allowed by applicable law, by a covenant limiting the landlord's use of the premises, or the rental agreement. Illegal activity. The tenant may not knowingly engage at the premises in prostitution, an illegal activity involving a place of prostitution, an illegal activity involving alcoholic beverages, gambling or promoting gambling, controlled substances or imitation controlled substances, or knowingly permit others to engage in one or more of those activities at the premises. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.